guys, welcome back. It's your girl Miranda here, and I'm back for another video, like the last video of 2021. Oh my god, I can't believe we're here. I can't believe this year is out, or is about to be out. You know, it's been a crazy ride, a crazy year, but I thought, why not recreate a look that I did. I think it's been like 4 years now, like around this time 4 years ago. I did a look very similar to this for New Year's Day. 4 years ago I did a look similar to this where I created a makeup look that is very New Year's Eve, New Year's Day party-esque. You know, so I thought, like, why not recreate it, you know, to measure my growth and to give you all content, give you all ideas. You know, I think it's very cute, very sultry, very grungy. Like, black always do it for me. Just feel like you have so many options with black, because if you do like a black makeup look, you could go like full on black with your outfit, black on black on black. You can do red, like you can do so many things with a sexy, cool, grungy black look. I mean, first of all, let's give it up for the look, okay? Second of all, let's give it up for growth. Like, who is she? The look I did 4 years ago was, like, I've come a long way, and I'm super proud of myself, because that was the number one purpose of me starting my YouTube channel. It wasn't to get all the crazy followers. It wasn't to, or subscribers. It wasn't to get paid. It wasn't for like famous purposes. It was to a way that I could measure my growth along this makeup journey. You know, like, I can always look back on those videos, whether I post them, whether I keep them in my drafts, or whatever the case may be. I can actually look back on a picture, a video, or whatever, and just like compare and contrast. Like, this is where I was 4 years ago. This is where I am today. Like, I'm super proud of myself. Like, girl, you've come a long way. I can't wait to see what my skills look like 4 years from now. So, yeah, enough rambling, enough chit chat. Let's get right on into the video. But before we do, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, because I have, you know, a couple of things planned for the new year. So you might want to stick around for it. So definitely subscribe, definitely like, and let me know down in the comment box below your New Year's plan. Are you working? Are you partying? Are you chilling? Are you Netflix and chilling? Like, what are you doing on New Year's Day? Let me know down in the comment box below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Alright guys, starting off, I'm just prepping my lips with some lip glosses from the brand Capari. Then I'm going in with priming my face using the One Size Beauty's mattifying primer. I think that's the name of it is. I'm going to have it linked in the description box down below. Then I'm going in with my foundation. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills, I think it's called like the Luminous Foundation or something like that. And I'm just using my sponge to blend it all over my face. Then I'm going in with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I tried doing it like the new way, like applying it the new way, but I can't. I like applying my concealer under my eyes like this. I just like the results of it. You apply your concealer however you want to apply your concealer, but this is how I'm doing it, girl. And this is in the shade Chocolate. I love this concealer. I love it. So then I'm setting my face. I don't know why I like doing this. I'm not quite sure if it does anything, but I do it. Then I'm going in with this buffer brush from Morphe, and I'm just blending out those places that I put the concealer in. I like going in with the brush first and then going in afterwards with my sponge to kind of smooth and even everything out. Okay, so now I'm going in with some loose setting powder. It's in the shade Dark Deep from the brand One Size. This is my first time using this loose setting powder, and I must say it definitely caught my eye, and I'm definitely going to continue to use it because I like the effect that it gave me. But I'm just going in, setting everywhere that I put concealer. So under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, the reverse contour, my forehead, my cupid's bow, my chin. I'm just putting this powder everywhere that I put the concealer. So now for bronzer, I'm using the Fenty bronzer. I'm not quite sure of the shade, but I'll have it linked down in the description box below. And I'm just putting that everywhere that I didn't put concealer and bronzing the face. So the forehead, my inner cheeks, I even did my chin a little bit. And as you'll see in the next couple of clips, I'm going to do my nose. Just putting it everywhere. So like I said, I'm going to do my nose, and I'm using bronzer instead of specific contour just because I want it to be a light contour. And I'm using this contour brush from e.l.f. just to try to get it as sharp as possible. And I still think it ended up being a little crooked. Y'all let me know down in the comment box below. But then after that, I'm just setting my face using One Size mattifying setting spray. The jury's still out on the spray, y'all. The jury's still out. Then I'm going in with highlighter, and I'm pretty sure this is the Beauty Bakery's loose highlighter that I'm using to highlight the high points of my face, my cheeks, my nose, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my cupid's bow, and my chin, and also on the arch of my brows. Okay, more setting spray. This time it's the Morphe one. Let it dry. Set everything of the face because we are officially done with the face. Moving on to the eyes. I did one eye off camera because honestly I didn't know how this was going to turn out. But I'm going to prime my eyes using the P. Louise base. And even though this looks white, this is actually like the 0.5 one. I'm pretty sure it is. So it's a shade under the one that's completely white. And then I'm going in with the black shadow. You can use any black shadow you want to. I'm using a small definer brush, well, a medium-sized definer brush, just packing that in the crease. And then I'm going back in to blend it and smoke it out. Then I decided to take a smaller, more definer brush with like a light brown shadow and just help blend that out because I don't want it to be too harsh. I want it to be a little soft around the edges. And I didn't want my shadow like all the way to my brows. I wanted to leave like a negative space. So that's what this brown shadow helped do. Then I went back in to blend. With this look, blending is key. You don't want anything harsh or patchy or anything like that. And then back to the negative space between the shadow and the brow. I'm just taking this flat shader brush and I'm recarving out my brows. Just making that a little bit more sharper. Like I want that negative space to be there. And I'm kind of like how it turned out. This is my first time actually doing this because I usually just smoke it out, don't care where it goes. And then I'm cutting my crease. A tip that I shared before, use a Q-tip with some micellar water to clean it up first so you don't transfer shadow onto your concealer or whatever you're using to cut your crease. So just some Q-tips, micellar water, cut it, and then cut it with your base. Okay, so even though you can't tell like 100%, this shadow that I'm setting my base with, it has like a light shimmer to it. I'm using a shadow out of the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. It has a light shimmer to it, and honestly, if you don't want to do like the full glitter look, you can definitely just do like a light shimmer, leave it like that, pop you on some mascara, some lashes, and call it a day. But I decided to go in with the full shadow, and it is out of a Juvia's Place palette. I'll definitely have the name and link for the palette in the description box, but I just went lightly in with this full shadow just to give the eye a little pop, a little jus. And then I'm prepping my lashes with some Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I double stacked these lashes, which I got from Amazon, and then I popped them on. Okay, so now I'm going in with the black eyeliner just to line my lower lash line, make it a little dark, make it a little grungy. Then I'm going in with the Great Lash Mascara from Maybelline. I love this mascara, especially for my lower lash line, my lower lashes. It makes them so long. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, and for lips, of course, I went in with the black lipstick. Now, you can do red, you can do nude, you can do simple with gloss and lip liner. You can do whatever you want to do. I chose black for this look. But when it comes to the lip, you really can do whatever fits best for you. But I just put on this black lipstick. It's from LA Girl. And then I went in with some concealer and I just sharpened up that lip. And y'all, that's it for this tutorial, honestly.